friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cute and fun, a cute notebook.
Yay!
Are you ready to draw with me? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers, and let's start. Let's draw a big rectangle. This will be the main shape of our notebook. Now, on the left side of the rectangle, draw small curved lines in a row to make the spiral binding of the notebook. At the bottom right corner of the notebook, draw a cute little heart. This makes our notebook even more adorable. Let's make this notebook come to life. In the middle, draw two big, sparkling eyes. Add tiny circles inside the eyes and color them in, leaving the circles white to make them shine. Next, let's draw a small, triangle-shaped nose and a happy, smiling mouth. On the top of the rectangle, let's draw two triangle-shaped ears. Finally, around the notebook, draw a few small heart shapes. Wow, everyone, your notebook is looking amazing. Now let's trace over our lines again to make them bold and sharp. This will make our drawing pop. Doesn't it look fantastic?
Yay!
It's time to color. Grab your color pens or crayons. Pink color. Red color. Yellow color. Light pink color. Purple color. Blue color. You did an amazing job, everyone. Your cute notebooks look so creative and colorful. Don't forget to show your artwork to your family and friends. See you next time for more fun drawing adventures at Toddlers Art Hub. Bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.